have GPS to monitor our grades and location of different foundations. It's expensive to get into it. The hardware and everything. We're getting in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, so $10,000, $100,000. So to recoup that price, it does take a while to get our money back. We do a lot of inside work, so GPS doesn't really do us any good there either.
With GPS based receivers is that there are a couple of issues. One is related to the accuracy of GPS in anything other than ideal environments where visibility to satellites is optimum, and the other is related to price. So currently available 2D machine control solutions based on GPS range at the lower end at about 20 to 25,000 per machine to be retrofitted, and at the higher end for a 3D machine control solution average about 50 to 60,000. This price points are beyond about 60 to 70% of current machine owners. So the key technical and business challenge that we faced was to design a machine control system for an articulated machine such as an excavator, where we would be able to achieve the desired accuracy in terms of tracking the bucket of the end effector or the excavator, and at the same time build this into a product that is approximately in the $10,000 to $15,000 range, and therefore within the reach of most of our targeted customers, which are small to medium sized contractors. Is the first product of its kind that uses a revolutionary computer vision technology to solve an articulated machine control problem and bring it into the what SmartDig does is it employs patented computer vision technologies that uses only a set of regular RGB cameras and a set of visual markers to achieve machine control without the use of any GPS based receivers or any other active sensors. This allows us to significantly reduce the cost of the entire setup and also increase the accuracy to that which can be achieved by current state of the art. The inexpensive cameras and hardware used by SmartDig allows us to bundle this into a product that can be introduced into the market at approximately the $10,000 range, bringing it within affordable reach of 90% of our target market.